Hey there, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you how you can keep downloading a game while you're playing another game. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Steam, and now you want to go to the settings and then just go to downloads, and you're gonna see it here. If this is checked, Steam may innovate or continue downloading updates while you have a game or other stream applications running. You can also override this on per game basis in each game's property page. So let's allow it. And when I'm going to right click and properties, updates, and I see the automatic updates, you can have it here, high priority. And yeah, and this is how we do it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. So again, when I go to settings, downloads, and allow downloads during gameplay. And that's pretty much it. So thank you everybody very much for watching. Any questions, ask down below in comments. If this helped you or not, let me know. Goodbye.